Welcome to the Code Career Hub. In this video, we will learn about the Python programming arithmetic operations. First, we all know about the arithmetic operations. What is arithmetic operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and in this coming to the programming language, we all have the normal division and floor division. What is the difference between normal division and floor division? Let we discuss in the future. First, we will write the program. Let's print the addition of the two numbers. First, we take in the user input from the user. Okay, n equals to int of input, m equals to int of input, print n plus m. Let's run this program. Let us see what's the output it prints. First, we print plus, that is addition. Input I can give 2, 3. 2 plus 3? 5. Yeah, exactly. Let's print subtraction. 2 minus 3? 1. Exactly. Let's start with multiplication. Sorry. 2 3 is 6. Let's print division. Okay. And let's print floor division. 2 4. Guys, you are all remember, we can discuss in the past I said we can discuss division and floor division difference. Division, what are you observed in this? Division prints the floating numbers, that means decimal numbers. Okay, you can see the floor division prints the integer output. Okay, and let's run the division method. It prints the decimal number. These means floating numbers, also called as in the Python. Okay, that's it guys. I hope you do all are understand. Thank you. And for more videos, like, share and subscribe to the Code Career Hub. Thank you guys. Bye bye.